Good morning, my little champ. Been daily driving this thing ever since I got it. Been enjoying it. Ugh. I get in here. Didn't let this thing warm up practically probably long enough, just 10 minutes. I am running behind this morning. Could not, oh, that's the wrong wiper. Forgot this thing got a back one. Could not sleep last night because I was so freaking excited for today. Big thing's coming today for the Forester, so I'm really excited for it. We gotta go drive this thing to the shop and switch out for a truck, because what we're gonna be needing today is we need a truck, because we gotta tow the car to the shop. So off to the shop we go. Some of you noticed, yes, we did move into a new house. I touched base on that a little bit ago, but I just kind of threw that in a video that we had put up, that we had moved finally, you know, for all the OGs out there. I remember we had a lovely neighbor that was not our biggest fan, and he was a real pain in the butt to deal with. So we have finally moved, and it's into what I feel is a much nicer neighborhood, much nicer house, and it's about 10 minutes from the shop. Love it. Been nothing but happier by moving away from where we used to be. So again, if you guys are the OGs, you know, now let's get on to the shop. Well, last time I drive old girl the way she is. Big changes are coming. You guys are gonna see what it is today. I just almost spilt my coffee all over me. Gonna go ahead and get the truck, get it warmed up. We're on our way to go get a new car. Now we're in a truck. We are on a new mission. Isn't that right? Yeah. Found out a trailer was too small. So now we're headed over to good old Devin's. Fortunately, he's not gonna be there, but thankfully he lets me use the trailer, which I really appreciate. So we're on our way to pick that up now, and then we're back to get the car. It's gonna be a day.
Long day.
Long day. At least we're in the heat right now. Bam. Up at Devin's place now. Hopefully he left the keys, because he ain't here right now. I know. Well, she's a bit locked up. I know that saying. Locked up. All right, let's go see if we get some keys. I'm putting you on the YouTube.
You're lucky, man.
I'm lucky. The key's here.
When I told him, he's like, oh. Actually, wait, I do have one.
I can't believe you had them. I thought we were cutting the lock for sure. Well,
I love your vlogging camera.
You like it?
Is this what you do everything on?
Yep.
That's awesome, man.
You know, I have the big boy camera, but it got to be a hassle in it.
No, that's handy.
And I'm shaky, so then it really makes the video shaky. So now I just use this anymore.
There you go.
Yep.
Perfect.
Load this trailer up. This is the right key.
Yep.
Damn. Now, does that key work for the back?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's unlocked, but what about the back door?
Does he have his locks on the back?
Oh yeah. But there's keys hanging from them.
Oh, okay.
That seems real safe.
Yeah, smart.
Great thinking, Devin. I'm not, yeah.
Oh, no.
All right, finally back. Now that we have a proper sized trailer, we can get this car loaded up. Oh yeah, definitely far enough past the driveway. Hey, the keys still made it.
And
Thank God. At least they went in the top.
Nope.
Because this one locked. Yeah. No.
Nope.
And we're good. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Making you work today, rookie.
Rookie.
There you go. Set the lock here. All right. Now we'll go get this car dug out. Now you already got it dug out.
No, there's no full battery in it.
Yeah.
To drive right
Driver down.
Yeah.
You know how many people are gonna give a shit?
About?
2 07s on YouTube in the last week have died because of us.
And we can make it 4 if you guys want to. I got a couple more.
Oh my. Tanner got the 07 from Justin.
Yeah.
Justin still has this 07. We're just getting parts off of it. So it's not exactly like I got it, but we got parts off of it.
Yeah. She's
still going to the crusher.
Yeah. Eventually.
But I promise we're making these things live on. Giving them another life.
The memory living on.
The memory. We all know 07's the gem of a year.
Yeah.
This thing is a little hurt in the front. Now look at, it's not that bad.
No. Core sport.
Here she is.
Yeah.
Still runs and drives, so you ready to send it?
Yeah.
All right. We'll get her out.
They're pretty. They're roached.
Yeah.
Man, GoPro was dicking us there.
Yeah, he was making fun of my NTO3 staggered setup.
I was.
Yep.
This thing looked like it was on fire, about to go in the trailer.
Oh, she's fine.
One wheel and tire looks bigger from the asset.
No, I think that's just you wanting it to be bigger.
Yeah, I like them 10.5s.
Yeah.
I can't feel my fingers.
Let's get this thing loaded and dip.
All right, in we go. I got a hood on there and I'm guiding you.
Yeah, big old cans in here. Let me in, Captain.
I'm guiding you.
You do it, get out. Oh, no.
Oh, that shit is starting to lope. You gotta let that
It
shit
was.
lope.
There, I try to give you more room on your side to get out.
Can't get out.
Oh, come on.
That shit said.
No, you can just open it. It should be unlocked.
Oh,
Thank you.
there we go. There, you should have plenty of room.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, time to strap this thing. Get on our weight. Back to the shop. Time to get the old girl unloaded. Her final life. You know, I'm sorry for all these 07s, but I promise it's worth it. They get a new life. They don't die, right?
No, they still live on.
They're living on. See, look, the one-handed thing again.
Jeez.
I got to make you work today.
I guess.
Yep. Got the drip trailer. All right, time to get her out. I got to move a couple cars too. Had to move Carlos's car out. We just get the break-in tune on that thing. So letting that thing warm up right now. He's coming to pick that up tomorrow, but it was inside the shop. Justin's jumping right in, get this thing moved out. Chase is probably gonna die.
Probably.
Go open this door. It's been a little rough. Bam.
That's Josh's new contract.
Close this down. Bam. Well, you can't get out? You're locked in. There you go.
There we go. Thanks very
That
much.
service.
Quality service.
All right, we cranked the heat. Gonna let this thing get cleared of its snow, hopefully, before we start working on it.
Oh my god, goodbye.
So, yeah, it's got quite a bit of snow on it. Back from lunch. Looks like this thing is definitely de-thawing. Or thawing out. I guess de-thawing is kind of contradicting. But thawing out. Looks like most of the snow is off. Now we're gonna have to squeegee out of the lake over here because we're not trying to be leaked on. But I know a lot are gonna complain that we're killing an 07 STI, but I promise she was already killed in the front. There was already a front end accident in here. But for those of you that appreciate it, go ahead and thank Justin down below, because without him, we wouldn't be having Forester content right now for working a deal on this full drivetrain. I definitely want the full harness out of this car, but I really don't want to tackle that right now. Worst case, we can always grab a harness from Justin later on. I definitely have thought about doing the full STI dash and doing the full entire harness, but that's a whole nother job to do. We already have a turbo model, so there's no real reason to do it right now. So we are just going to take the full drivetrain out of it besides the motor. He's going to still keep that. And yeah, we're just going to put this all in the Forester, get ready. He's getting some of the snow off, so we don't take that much of a shower. And then I'm going to move the mat out because it's going to just get wet. We'll get started on this and go through it. Well, there she is on the lift, getting ready to get everything torn apart. Definitely going to go through step by step on what you're going to need. Probably not step by step on how you're going to pull out. We're definitely going to do some time-lapse action, but you're going to have to wait till the next video for that to start. we're gonna break this up in 2 videos so I can get a day ahead for you guys. And it's definitely gonna be a hood up kind of day because we are we're getting showered right now. So you guys have to wait till the next video and we'll see this thing come apart.
Alrighty, so I don't know if Josh has told you guys yet, but I think he has. So we're whipping the fucking Forester today and we're about to go snag some pics. So we'll let you guys know and I'll holler at you guys when we get back. We're back. We're trying to do what we can for you guys and get the videos up. So Remy decided that today would be a good day for pictures of these old girls over here. And then we got Bo, the photographer. So let me show you guys what we're about to do. That thing's a little fast. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm about to say.
About died. Seriously, about died.
It's pretty slick out.
This thing went left. I thought I was gonna die.
Change the tire on you and you haven't even gotten to the line yet.
The tire rod's a little bent on old girl from some wheelie action she's done in the past, but we're out here getting some photos, just enjoying old baby girl. But yeah, almost died. Cruising. We didn't do anything.
Should we take the Forester to go find him?
No. Which one? The one that looks stock or mine, the top boy?
The stock one.
The stock one. Definitely. We probably should go find him.
Okay.
Oh, they got pulled over. Did you get pulled over? Did you get pulled over? Thanks for detouring him for me. Blue hasn't been out very often since her incident, which if you guys know, you know.
What happened to you?
Well, the cop got behind us and we're like, oh, we'll just pull into the gas station. And then he followed us into the gas station and then he was just getting fuel. So he just bounced out of there.
Well, I came into the roundabout
Bad memories.
pretty hot. I'm just gonna turn here.
I didn't even see a cop. We were just cruising like normal. Sunday drive. I don't speed.
And that thing's
Never. This, I know better than do that anymore.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
enlighten us.
It's not like it switched lanes when I came in the power earlier. So, we just got back from photos. Bo's got a business for photos, so if you want, I'll drop it down below.
Yeah.
You guys want photos? This is your man. Because it's just, you see, they're pretty damn good.
What he said.
What? Why you double recording, little girl?
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground.